Today we're going to talk about welding. Some types of welding operations generate fewer hazards than others, but all types of welding can be hazardous. Common hazards from welding include electrocutions, eye damage, burns, toxic inhalants, and fire. The following are general safe work practices to help you protect yourself from common welding hazards. One of the worst potential hazards from welding is electrocution. To protect yourself, you have to keep from becoming the easiest path to ground and from becoming part of the welding circuit itself. When you are electric arc welding, be sure to insulate yourself from the work, the electrode holder, and from ground. Clamp your work cable directly to the work and as close to the weld as is practical. To protect your eyes from ultraviolet and infrared radiation burns, put on proper eye protection before looking at an arc even for an instant. The proper shade of lens for your welding helmet depends on the type of welding you'll be performing. For example, when you're electric arc welding, the shade you need depends on the size of the electrode and the amount of electrical current that will be generated. However, when you're gas metal arc welding, the shade you need depends only on the amount of current that will be generated. Check with a welding machine manufacturer or your supervisor if you are not sure about the appropriate shade of lens. Use a welding screen at your workstation to protect the eyes of others working around you and those who are just passing through the shop. Wear safety glasses with side protection under your welding helmet to protect your eyes when you raise your helmet. Wear flame-resistant clothing that will protect you from sparks and slag. The clothing should not have pockets or cuffs that could catch and hold slag. Also wear flame-resistant boots that come up above the ankle. Make sure your work area is well ventilated to protect you from inhalation hazards. If your work area cannot be properly ventilated, you may need a respirator. Make sure you have the proper training, fit testing, and medical clearance before using any respirator. Keep at least one Class ABC fire extinguisher in close proximity to your welding operation. Stop work at least 30 minutes before leaving your workstation to watch for smoldering materials. These are just a few tips that will help you maintain a safe working environment and to be able to successfully weld without causing injury to yourself or to others.